So this is the view out the bedroom from upstairs. I've got the bed tucked up right up next to the window. And we've got a lot of bird traffic because I've got the feeders set up. And we've got a good heavy plume of smoke coming up out of the sauna. I'll be out there in a few minutes. It's cranking the heat up there. And this is just such a good little portrait of Vermont, I think. We've got our rainbow flag. We've got the astonishing natural beauty. We've got a little banjo music in the background. And I've got my idea of the perfect snow day.